In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's scripting feature to create this sunflower seed pattern mesh. It would take some time to manually make this mesh manually, but it will take a second if we use a script. I'll share this script on the description below. All we need to do is copying and pasting the script and pressing the Run button at the top. Please experiment with the script's variable values and other values to confirm what changes can be made. The mesh looks smaller, and the golden ratio is now broken, due to the angle value change. There's no golden ratio, because we're not using 137.5 degrees, also known as the golden value. I'll make more scripting tutorials with my own Python scripts in the future. For this example, I created a sphere, shift-selected the dot spiral mesh, and press P to parent it. After that I instance the spheres on the spiral's vertices. Let's make something interesting with this setup. Ctrl+A to make instances real, and type M to put the separated meshes into a new collection. I'll select one mesh in the middle, and proportionally bring it up. We need to remove the original meshes. I'll duplicate them, scale them, and rotate them. I'll put the selected meshes into a new collection, and add emission materials. I'll create a 100 frame long animation. Let's use a sphere to block the environment light. I'll join the meshes, so I can rotate them as one easily. This one as well. The idea is to rotate them in different directions. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.